Let's take a look at this example in CodePen. So this is the same code, and this is the result of that, and this is what the user will see in the browser. So our goal in this demo is to use CSS to change the style of this part, of the paragraph part. So we say that we can put our CSS code inside the head section of this HTML file using the style tag. So let's try that. So using the style tag, of course, you have a closing tag and opening tag and closing tag, and in between these tags is the style that you want for this part. So we put our selector, and in this case P, because this will correspond to the paragraph part of this document. So if there are several paragraphs here, then whatever style you put in this selector will affect all the paragraphs, all the part that uses the paragraph tag. So the selector is P, and then we put our declaration. So it starts with opening curly brace, curly bracket, and it will end in closing curly bracket. And then in between these curly braces is our declaration, is our property value pair. So in this case, let's change the font size. So font size is the property, and to put a value, we put a colon first, and then put type the value that you want for your font size. And let's use pixel here, and this will end with a semicolon. Let's try to make this larger so that you can see the difference. And we say that if we have multiple property value pair, you can put it in the next line. So use multiple lines for your multiple property value pair. And then another one that we want to change in this part is the color. So this is another property, and let's put a value to this property. Let's say we want to change this to blue, to color blue, and end this with a semicolon. So as you can see the difference, the font size becomes larger and its color is now blue. So this is an example of how you put your CSS file inside your HTML document. But remember, the rule, the best practice is to separate your CSS file.